Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to change language on Bank of America. So in order to change language on Bank of America, you need to follow these steps. First of all, log into your Bank of America mobile banking app, after which you want to simply go ahead and select Profile and Settings from the top right corner of your screen. Moving on, you'll then be able to see the list of options available. So from the list, you have to choose language preferences. So when you go to the language preferences, once again, you could find multiple options available, and you could also see the one that is currently available on your device. So in order to change, just pick a language and just right next to it, click on it, and then you could see the confirmation button. So go ahead and confirm it. And in some cases, you might also be asked to verify, but it's not quite necessary, or you might be able to verify as well. And once done verifying, you could just go and read the terms and condition, and that is how you'll be able to change language on Bank of America. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.